Hey guys, Snow here, and today I'm going to show you how to access the globe, how to use the globe on your Wii 4 class channel. So my Tupelo, Mississippi. I live in Oxford, but however this does not work. Here we have the UV index right here. It's moderate. The forecast channel is not available anymore, but I just like to go on it and like listen to the music and the sound. And all this is not true. Seriously. So we're gonna go to the globe right here and use this to zoom out. If you live in not Knoxville, Tennessee. So here we have the state where I live in, Mississippi, and my closest location is Tupelo and Memphis, Jackson, there's Hattiesburg, and now let's go over all the places that I've lived. So first off, we have the state where I'm from. Kansas City, Missouri. Here we go, Kansas City. And then we're gonna go to Syracuse, New York. Lived there for 2 years. Now when you click on it right here, it is not true. And what we do here, and now we're gonna go to New York City, and now North Brunswick Township, New Jersey. I lived there for 10 years. Edison, New Jersey is 39. And now we're gonna go to Maryland, Baltimore, Washington D.C., Alexandria, Virginia, Bethesda, 37. Yeah. Roanoke, Virginia, Charlotte, Richmond, Virginia Beach, not Norfolk. Not Charlotte, North Carolina. There's Atlanta. And now we come to the state where I'm currently living in.